This is a silencer, and despite being a toy, it can fulfill a real function. But be careful, because that's not always true. This is a toy gun for demonstration. Airsoft silencers are used for several things. Many are used to hide extended barrels, improving distance and consistency thanks to the longer barrel. They are also used to hide tracer devices. You will be able to trace BBs with colors when shooting, but do they really reduce the sound? Even though there are hollow and totally useless silencers, there are also some that have foam padding, helping a lot with the sound reduction. But be careful, because this does not reduce the sound from the gearbox, motors, etc. For this reason, replicas that have no internal sounds are usually very silent, since almost all the sounds come out of the tip. And with a good silencer, you can reduce the sound a lot, like in the case of gas replicas without the recoil, HPA, or spring. Although the difference is not super notable, but still is pretty decent. The truth is that it is not a determining point. This already depends on your style.